So it's wintertime. You might be wondering how to remote start your Hyundai vehicle. So here we have a Hyundai Tucson. I'm going to show you how to start it up. You can get the car warmed up, defrost going, or in the summertime, you can blast the air conditioning so it's cool for you when you get in. But you can see on our key here, there's a lock, unlock, and that's your remote start button there. That's your panic button. But you're just going to make sure the car is locked, and then you click and hold that remote start button. And there you can see it's going to automatically start up. Now, it's going to go to the settings that you left it. So if you want to defrost your windshield in the morning, make sure you crank the defrost high before you shut your car off at night so that when you remote start it, it goes on full blast. But there you have it. That's a quick tutorial of how to remote start your Hyundai vehicle. Put your questions in the comments. Stay warm out there and subscribe if we helped you out today.